Welcome to the real start of your cybersecurity journey. If you want to master penetration testing, you don't just need tools, you need the right environment. Today, we are breaking down Kali Linux, the industry standard OS for ethical hacking. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why professionals use this OS and how it differs from the Windows laptop you use every day. Here is our roadmap. We aren't just going to look at tools, we are going to understand the architecture. We'll cover why Linux is the backbone of the internet, what makes Kali special, the philosophy behind the creators, offsec, the essential tools you will use daily, and most importantly, how to stay legal and ethical. Before we talk hacking, we must talk Linux. Windows is designed to hide things from you to make life easy. Linux is designed to give you total control. It is open source, meaning we can see the code, modify it, and audit it. This is why 90% of the world's servers run on Linux. As a hacker, if you can't navigate a Linux terminal, you can't navigate a target system. So what is Kali? It's a specialized Linux distribution based on Debian. Think of it like a mechanic's workshop. It comes preloaded with hundreds of tools for forensics, scanning, and reverse engineering. You don't use Kali to watch Netflix. You use it to test security. It was built by Offensive Security, offsec, specifically for this purpose. Kali isn't a hobby project. It's maintained by offsec, the same company behind the OSCP certification. Their philosophy is try harder. This isn't just a slogan. It's a requirement. Kali gives you the tools, but it won't do the hacking for you. You have to put in the work to understand the underlying technology. This is your arsenal. We categorize these into offensive and analytical tools. Nmap, your eyes. It maps the network and finds open doors. Metasploit, your hands. It helps execute exploits against vulnerabilities. Wireshark, your ears. It listens to network traffic to analyze data packets. Burp suite, the standard for breaking into web applications. Mastering these 4 tools puts you ahead of 90% of beginners. Listen closely. This is the difference between a professional making $100,000 plus and a criminal going to jail. Permission. Never touch a system you don't have written permission to test. Scope. Stay within the boundaries defined by the client. Environment. Don't practice on your neighbor's Wi-Fi. Build a virtual lab using VirtualBox or VMware. That is where you make mistakes safely. Now that you understand the theory, it's time for action. In part 2, we are going to install Kali Linux together in a virtual machine and configure it for your first lab. Subscribe and stay tuned. The real work begins now.